Here I have Nokia C31, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the contacts application, then switch to the fix and manage section, select import from SIM, because in this video we're gonna copy contacts from SIM card. So here you can select contacts from your SIM card which you want to transfer on your device. So I'm just gonna transfer them all and tap import. And as you can see, 4 contacts been copied, and now they are here on my device. I can also switch to the SIM card, and here I have the same contacts, but in other colors. Okay, fits me. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.